In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail phone number. If you do enjoy this video and find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And on top of that, if any point you do have any questions throughout the duration of this guide, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment. So if you do have any, ask them down there and I can help you out further. But first things first, if you do want to do this, open up the Gmail app on your phone and tap on your profile up in the top right. Now you can also do this on a PC. The settings do work pretty much the exact same. But what you're going to want to do is select this manage your Google account section. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. From here, go to the personal info section right here. If you're on a desktop, it's going to be in that left sidebar, but you're going to want to scroll down on this page until you see the section that says contact info right here. Go ahead and tap on the phone arrow and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. And once again, go ahead and tap on the arrow. And from here, you'll be able to select this little pencil icon right here. Go ahead and select that pencil icon and type in your password to confirm your identity. And then after you do that, type in that new number. You'll have to type in that number again, and then you'll be able to select update number. And from here, you just need to make sure you save it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.